Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to restore a WordPress website from a backup in Hostinger. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now let's jump straight in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Hostinger website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login or My Account button so you can access your hosting dashboard. Click on it and sign in using your account credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main control panel. This area acts as the command center for managing your hosting services, domains, and websites. From the dashboard, navigate to the Websites section. Here, you'll see a complete list of all the websites connected to your hosting plan. Find the specific WordPress website you want to restore and click on Manage or Dashboard next to it. This will open the detailed settings and tools for that particular site. Inside the Website Management area, look for the Files or Backup section. Hostinger provides built-in backup tools that allow you to restore your website quickly if something goes wrong. Click on Backups to view the available restore points. You'll now see a list of previously saved backups, usually organized by date. Carefully review the dates and choose the backup version you want to restore. Make sure you select the correct restore point to avoid losing important recent changes. Once you've identified the right backup, click on the Restore option. It's a good idea to visit your website afterward to ensure everything is functioning properly. And that's it. You've successfully restored your WordPress website from a backup in Hostinger using their built-in tools. Having backups available gives you peace of mind and helps you recover quickly from unexpected issues. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow hosting and WordPress tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.